Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of To The Max Outdoors. What an exciting episode we got for you today. Now, I received a phone call a couple days ago to go have a chance to do some wing shooting, bird hunting with a couple friends of mine. They had a guy drop out. I jumped on the opportunity. So this beautiful February day, we loaded up, we drove up to Clarksville, Pennsylvania, went to a place called Wild Acres Hunting Preserve. What an absolute fantastic time I had. Now, I filmed the entire thing and it's going to cause me a lot of editing, and I've already found out I had a problem. That's why I'm doing the intro, having the results here already. So stick with me. I think it's going to be an exciting video. The two dogs that we hunted behind today were Weimaraners. It was a mother and son combo of dogs, and the two guides and the two dogs did an absolute fantastic job. These birds all jumped up great. The pheasants run a whole bunch on us today, so we chased a bunch of pheasants around to get them to fly up. All these birds that you're going to see in this video and the ones I have here, they all put up good, clean flights. Fantastic time. And you're going to see there in the video, the only thing I had with me, I don't have a fancy wing shooting gun. This is a standard Remington 870 Express 20 gauge, and it's even got a 21-inch barrel. This gun absolutely did phenomenal for me. It's just got an improved cylinder in it. I was shooting a Remington 5-shot XLR, extended long range upland game load out of it, and what a fantastic job. So don't let anybody tell you need a big fancy gun to go kill birds. All right, sorry to interrupt again, but as you can see here from a pile of feathers, I've already breasted the chuckers out and skinned the pheasants whole because I'm going to smoke the pheasants and probably the chucker breast. But as you can see here from the pile of feathers in front of you, I can't redo the intro. And I said in the intro that there was another West Virginia, Ohio-based YouTube channel there. I got to meet Chris from Passion for the Wild and Wonderful. We got to spend a day together. Never met the man before in my life, and honestly didn't subscribe to his channel until I just got home. Wonderful guy. We're going to share some footage back and forth. So anybody that follows me, go follow Passion for the Wild and Wonderful. Give him a check out. He's going to have some of the same footage that I got. So thanks for sticking with me.
Okay, get ready. Go ahead. Watch another one. Here it comes. Go ahead. Go ahead. You hit that bird.
The first one was hit.
Bullet, no bird.
And yours is short barrel.
Yeah.
Come on, go. Boat. Dead.
Good shot.
It's always fun just to watch it.
That pup's a powerhouse.
Go ahead. Come on, here, buddy. Double. Kill it. Kill it. Good job. He'll get it. They'll find it. Mark this one. It's dead. Oh, he's got it.
Yep.
Bo's going after the other one. Good boy, Bully. Come here.
What's that?
Good boy.
Pretty bird, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're good eating too.
Oh, or anything like a grouse, I'm game. I'm all about grouse.
They're Bo will find it. Bullet, come here, close. Everybody move.
Go ahead.
Hey!
Here, Bo.
I waited, Jerry. I thought you was gonna take it when it was turning.
Chucker. How is it?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
That went off.
Just had to find the right shell.
That's why I said these shells are about 20 years old.
I ain't found some of mine are.
His Bullet's grandpap on one side was, which was my man, was a two-time Pennsylvania State Open Pheasant Hunting champion, and his other grandpap was three-time
He's looking for the bird.
AKC.
You got to tell him
Field
he got
trial
that bird?
Yeah, Bo got it.
I know, but you need to tell.
That one went down.
Bullet here! No bird! Come on! That's where the one died.
Hey guys,
Yes.
7 of them went running over this rise on the road, so.
Honey.
Oh, close. Come on, come
Maybe I wasn't pulling the trigger hard enough.
Oh, you're pulling it? I'm just slapping it.
How often you guys do these? You love it, don't you?
I do it every weekend. There's one close. I just keep her a little bit away from the main area. Okay, slide up the hill.
Come on, Jerry, push it.
I'm trying.
He say he's on point.
Hold up.
The whole plan is almost out.
Okay, so let me get these guys up the hill.
Push up.
Everybody up the hill a little bit. Okay, we good?
Yeah, there was one right
Okay, one here.
there. Hey!
Bird.
Bullet, no bird.
Come on, find the bird.
It was under 9 foot.
Oh!
Point. Easy!
Oh, it's sitting in the road. 2 of them, 3 of them.
Okay. So wait. Kill them!
Oh, another one, another one, another one. Wing.
Here, Bo.
I was in a bad spot right there. There wasn't nothing I could do.
Let's go get another.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Shoot! No
Underneath
bird.
of him both times.
Okay, nothing I can do about that.
Dead bird. Come here, buddy.
This is really crazy. High bird. Feather, chopper flying, crazy shit. This is a hell of a good time, brother. Bullet.
Maybe if you stay here and I'll walk down, you can get them going through that run right there.
Okay.
And that one looks like a peacock.
Front one?
Yeah.
Big one?